Hey friends, in this video I'm going to share it to you on how you can clear all the cache and junk from your Windows. So please watch this video. And also if you're going to clear the cache and junk of your Windows, this will not only free up space for your Windows, but this will also speed up and boost the performance of your Windows. So let's go quick into the process. In the Windows search bar, type here disk cleanup. Best match will appear, then go ahead and click on that. Now select the drive that you want to clean up. Windows C drive is chosen by default, so if you want to clean your another drive, you can simply choose from here, but I'm going with the Windows C drive. Click on OK. Then this is the disk cleanup for the Windows C drive. So here you can simply check all of these boxes. Now, once you check all of these boxes, the total amount of disk space that you will gain, this will differ. So in my case, I have 1 GB. So in your case, you might have more than 1 GB. So once you check all of these boxes, simply click on OK. Now you will be asked, are you sure you want to permanently delete these files? Then go ahead and click on Delete Files. So the disk cleanup utility is cleaning up unnecessary files on your machine, all the unnecessary files and the temporary files of your machine. So we just have to wait for that. Now once this is done, press the Windows key and R button together to open the Run window. Or if you cannot access the Windows key and R button together, simply make a right click at the Start button and click on Run. Or you can simply search for Run in the Windows search bar and type here TEMP. It's TEMP and click on OK. So there are a lot of files in the temp folder. Now these files are not necessary for your Windows, so you just have to delete this. Click on one file and then press Ctrl plus A on keyboard to select all of these files and then hit the delete bin at the top. Check this box, do this for all the current items and click on skip. Now, not all of these files will be deleted, and that is totally fine because these are used or this is used by some programs of your Windows. Simply close this window and press the Windows key and R button together again, or just simply open the Run window. This time you need to type percentage TEMP percentage and then click on OK. Now, there are also a lot of files right here. And these are also unnecessary. So simply click on one folder and then press Ctrl plus A on keyboard to select all of these files and then hit the delete bin at the top. Check this box, do this for all current items and click on skip. Again, not all of these files will be deleted, and that is totally fine because these are used by the programs of your Windows. So then simply done, close this. Then press the Windows key and R button together again to open the Run window. This time you need to type prefetch. It's prefetch. Now once done, click on OK. Then click on one file and press Ctrl plus A on keyboard and then hit the delete bin at the top. And once done, simply close this window. Now, finally, you are going to make a restart of your Windows by right-clicking at the Start button, shut down or sign out, and then restart your Windows. So once you have restarted your Windows, you will clear the cache and junk of your Windows. And not only that, the performance of your Windows will also be boosted. So I hope this video helped you. Please do not forget to hit the like button and please also subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.